This blueberry honey layer cake combines thin golden honey cake layers with a light sour cream filling, sweet blueberry preserves, and crunchy walnuts. It is an elegant homemade dessert that is perfect for celebrations, family gatherings, or any special occasion. Add the honey to a saucepan and warm it over medium heat until it becomes fluid. Add the baking soda and stir continuously for about 3 minutes. Add the butter and continue stirring until it has completely melted. Transfer the mixture to a large bowl and allow it to cool slightly. Make the batter, add the sugar, and after that the eggs, one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Gradually add the flour and mix until the batter becomes smooth and evenly combined. Cook the batter in thin, pancake-like layers in a lightly greased pan. Once each layer is ready, use a 20 cm / 8-inch cake ring as a guide and trim it into an even circle. Add the cold heavy cream, powdered sugar, and sour cream to a bowl. Whip until the mixture becomes thick, smooth, and fluffy. Place the first honey layer on a serving plate and spread it with cream. Add another cake layer and more cream. On selected layers, spread a thin layer of blueberry preserves over the cream. Continue alternating the honey layers, cream, and the blueberry preserves. Finish with the final cake layer and cover the top and sides of the entire cake with the remaining cream. Coat the cake generously with the finely chopped walnuts and decorate as desired. Refrigerate overnight so the honey layers can soften and absorb the cream. The result is a rich yet delicate cake with caramelized honey layers, creamy filling, fruity blueberry notes, and a crunchy walnut finish. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video and follow Chic Vibes for more easy and delicious desserts.